Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Touch ID not working on MacBook Pro and Air. Let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Clean Touch ID sensor and your finger. Guys, make sure your finger and the Touch ID sensor are clean and dry. Use a clean lint-free cloth to wipe off any dirt or debris on the Touch ID sensor. Method 2. Try adding a different fingerprint. For that, launch the system settings on your MacBook Pro and Air. On the sidebar menu, tap on Touch ID and password and hover over the fingerprint. When the X appears at the top left, click on it. Next, enter your MacBook System password when prompted and then press delete. Now tap on add finger and then place your finger on the Touch ID sensor. Lift and relax the finger repeatedly on the Touch ID sensor and try to cover the entire sensor with your finger. As you can see, the Touch ID is ready. Now your finger can be used to unlock your Mac. Tap on done. Now close this page and go to Apple logo and restart your Mac. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.